Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Moataz Nabil. I'm working as a developer advocate at Bitrise, and we have decided to create a week's worth of vlogging to share our ideas, experiences, and key learnings during the week of Google I/O 2021. As you all know, Google I/O is back online and free for everyone for 3 days from 18 to 20 of May to connect with developers from around the world as this year's virtual Google I/O for discussions, hands-on learning with Google experts, and the first look at Google's latest developer products. Personally, I'm really excited to log into my initial thoughts on the agenda, what I expected this year, and which session I will attend, so I don't miss out of anything important in this first video. But let's start with what I expect of this year. Since Google was planning to announce the Pixel 4a at I/O 2020, but this didn't happen, so I expected Google to announce the Pixel 5a at this year at Google I/O 2021. Also announcing improvement to Wear OS, Fitbit OS after Google acquired it, Google Assistant, and Google Stadia. And for sure, one of the important topics for the Android developers is Android 12. We have already seen a few developers' previews of Android 12. The last one was preview version 3, but I expected Google to launch the first beta version of the software at the Google I/O 2021. If that happens, it would be the first look at the new features and the polished interface elements in Android 12. The agenda is packed with great content from keynote sessions, workshops, and Ask Me Anything sessions with Google experts, and the learning labs with different developers' tools and technologies, such as Android, Chrome OS, Firebase, Flutter, Google Cloud, and more. But how do you choose what is the best for your needs from the agenda? My top tips would be go over the agenda in detail, choose the core must-watch elements, choose a few important tracks, and pick at least from 2 to 3 sessions from each one. I'd also spare some time for a workshop and Ask Me Anything session, which best related to your day-to-day work. Then, I definitely put some time aside to digest the new information and get started on playing around with what has been announced. So all that is left for everyone to do is register now with your Google account, create your preferred schedule, and don't miss the chance to join the biggest developer event from Google. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.